In the email parser, this was something for for Jose and his team. One of the things that we've done in the integrations, if I go into integrations and we go into this email leads to Sam, we come in to the email settings for your system. You can go in and see more details. It will fill in all the choices and stuff that you've got set up. What is the title of this one? Maybe it's leads that are coming in from my website. I can set up the category, the types, all that kind of stuff. Um, what we had done previously was we had anytime a new lead came in, it was going, it was you were getting notified in this little bell up here under your own personal login. So if a lead came into your address, your email address, then you were getting the notification. At this point now, you can say notify all users of the lead. So whenever I come in, I check that, then it will send it as a system notification instead of an individual user notification so that everybody sees it. So for teams that want to everybody be notified when the lead comes in, you can now place a check mark in this in the settings, and it will notify everybody in the account. So hope that helps you guys down in Texas. The other thing that we did do, we did find with Jose's help, a challenge that we didn't know we had, where if you were using this email address in a to field, like the in the setup, whatever, you were sending it to that address, it was importing fine. But if you used this as a CC carbon copy address, it was not importing properly. So now, whether it's a CC or it's a to, it will import correctly.